Welcome back to my channel. I'm finally making this video. As you could see from the title, I ordered some things on Beautybay because of the Black Friday deals. I don't know what is this. So there were some discounts, some sales, and I couldn't resist. I bought some stuff and I'm going to show you right now. I am obviously the worst. I don't remember how much discount was on these things. I can maybe try and look it up. I do have another parcel that I need to show you, but I want to make a special video just for those things. Oh my god, my hair are crazy. First, I want to show you the box. I had it here for the past, I don't know, 2 weeks, I don't know. But it's been good. I left everything inside because I wanted to show on camera. So, let's start with the first product, which is a color corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal. I went for this shade over here. So we have a yellow tone, a reddish, and a peach tone over here. I knew this brand from before. I had, I think, the green one, and probably this as well, but I had it so long ago when I didn't know how to use them. I knew something about color correction, but I wasn't as experience. I didn't know exactly how to apply and all that. So at the end, both of the products, they just expired, and yeah, I never really used them. But now that I'm a little bit more experienced and I know how important is color correcting, I went back and I repurchased this product because are cheap and I actually like them. I like the texture, the formula, everything. So, and they have a quite good range as well of the colors. So this particular product is usually £5, but I paid with a discount £3.95 each. So here we go. Second product I'm going to show you is from Revolution and is this one. Golden Hour Tammy X, I don't know. This is basically a face palette for you can see here, deep dark, so for deep dark skin tone, I don't know how you want to call it. And it's so beautiful. It was so beautiful. I had to buy for my kit. If I can open it. Okay, yes, I did open, and it is so beautiful. It was so cheap. It does have another protection here. Okay, the protection removed, and is this one over here. You can see there is a highlighter, a blush, and 2 bronzer contour, I think. And it's amazing. I love the packaging. I love the colors. It's just so nice, especially for dark skin. Can you see the highlighter? I don't think so. It's so beautiful. And this was £10 originally, but I bought it for $6.95. Next I bought another contour palette. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with the contour palette. Plus I can never find the perfect shade. I don't know, I'm fussy with the contour, because usually you find them all like bronze color, warm color. Anyway, this is from Zoeva, and Zoeva, I don't know how do you say it. I love this brand. I had Zoeva brushes for so long now, but actually I never purchased any other item, so I know that the brushes are amazing, but I wanted to try some makeup, and this packaging feels amazing. It's like the velvety feeling. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of expensive and luxurious, anyway, yeah, this is the palette. I feel is perfect for contour. Has 2 light shades and 2 darker shades. Okay, and this was 18 originally, but I did pay just £12.60 for this. I was very curious because I know that Zoeva is a great brand, so I was really curious to try. It looks fine. It looks good. And this is the Contour Spectrum. Not bad. There were other discounts on Zoeva, so I bought other things, and this next item is the Zoeva Heritage Eyeshadow Palette. I need to stop buying eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I lost the count. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I have an obsession with the eyeshadow palettes. Anyway, this is the packaging. The packaging, again, it looks expensive. Ooh. When the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. This is a protection, and these are the colors. The colors are stunning. I'm in love with the whole thing, but what really made me buy this palette is this color over here, which is like a purpley blue shimmery color. Ooh, that's so nice. Look at that. That is amazing. In camera is not as good. Yeah, in camera is definitely worse, but I can assure you it has all the, it's like a deep purple black underneath, and then has all the deep purple glitter to it, and it's just amazing. I'm thinking of a smoky eye with something like this on top will look amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to use this one as well. And the price of this originally was £21, but I did buy it for £14.70, which is not bad at all. Next purchase is this other Zoeva product, which is a blush palette, and the name is Offline. Again, I love the packaging. Oh my god, the colors are stunning. The colors are just amazing, and this highlighter looks good as well. It's so soft, so nice. I don't think you'll be able to see this in camera. Nope. Anyway, it's just stunning. And this was originally £14, but I paid £9.80. Really good. Did I stop there with the blushes and Zoeva? No, I did buy another one. The name of this is Zoeva Aristotle. The blush palette, and just look at the packaging. Isn't it amazing? And this it goes more onto the coral peachy tone. At the moment I'm still obsessed with orange shades. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that already. Anything with the peachy tone or orange, burnt orange, anything like that, I just love it. And this one in particular right here, it's just great. It's such a good orange. Wow. I was really inspired when I seen this Zoeva product. And here you can read quality is not an act, it's an habit. I have no idea what to expect in terms of formula. I know Zoeva is a great brand again, but never tried anything, and I'm happy. I'm happy with my purchase. I'm going to throw all this. Did I say the price of that one? Okay, original price £15, but I paid £10.50. Honestly, I didn't buy much, so we are almost at the end of this video. This was so quick. I'm kind of speeding it up a little bit because I have to do something later, and I don't want to be late again, as usual. So the next purchase is actually a brand that I never tried before, and is Nabla. This is actually an Italian brand. It's actually made in Italy, cruelty-free and vegan. Obviously I knew about this brand. I've seen it on Instagram everywhere. A lot of Italian YouTubers use this brand. And I was just so curious. The packaging is amazing. The colors inside are just stunning, and it feels quite heavy as well. I don't think this is like a latest release. I think this is one of the first ones. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I always seen this palette and I always was curious to buy. And finally, this time I found it discounted, so I was really tempted. These are the colors. The texture is really soft. It's just how I like it. And I can assure you it's better than what you see in the camera. Definitely happy with this. And again, the original price for this was £36 and I bought it for £25.20. Yes, £25.20, so an amazing discount. Next is another item from Nabla, but I need to be honest, on this particular item I was a little bit disappointed. It's probably my fault as well. I didn't see the description. I mean, I did see the description, but I didn't see how big this thing would be, and I was expecting, yes, now I can see it. The dimensions are written in here, and I didn't know that. I went from the picture and it looks so big and then when it arrives it's this small. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with this, but again, it was my fault as well for not reading, being excited, just putting stuff in the cart. Okay, so this is a Liberty 6 customizable palette, feather edition, so it should be like a magnetic refill palette. And I really needed something like this because I don't have anything like this, and I feel it's really good if you are traveling as an MUA. If you need to go around and, you know, carrying stuff, it's sometimes can be heavy. I wanted to have all the shades, I don't know, like eyeshadow or contour, whatever, in one place. But now that I look at this, I don't feel that it's gonna fit, that anything is going to fit in here. I mean, it's cute, right? It's like a travel size. I can definitely bring it with me when I'm on a plane somewhere, I don't know, traveling. It's good, but yeah, it's kind of small. I really love the pattern on this, and apparently it's a limited edition, which is another thing. So original price for this was $6.95, but I paid only $4.85, which is not bad. A little ASMR for you. Okay, this was all. In total it was 10 items, just 10 items. I am so good. I'm joking, I ordered other things. I'm waiting for one parcel from Doll Beauty. Again, I never tried that brand before. I will probably post it on Instagram, so go follow me there. Just because I bought two things, literally two things from there, so yeah, I'm not going to make a whole video for that. And I did buy something else on Beautybay that I want to show you, but yeah, it's almost an entire collection. Not an entire collection, but anyway, it's more than one thing. And yeah, I want to show you in another video. This was all for my Black Friday sale shopping. I know it's not much. I know I didn't buy with crazy discounts like 50%, 40% or something. I think this was either 20 or 30. But yeah, I can't wait for the big discounts. If I see something and it's discounted, I'm gonna take it, because you know I'm always scared that then it's gonna go and I'm never gonna be able to buy it at that price. And yeah, these things that I show you, they are not in discounts anymore, apart maybe from some Zoeva one. Yeah, literally only one thing is still 30% off, but the rest, it was quite a good deal for me. So this is the end of the video. Let me know what's your favorite piece from my shopping. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, because I post there a lot compared obviously on here, and you can see much more of what I do, makeup, reviews, and just my life, just what I do every day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye!